putting in some piers for a shed base. It's going to be a timber floor shed, so we're going to construct a frame on top of this and then sit the shed on that. That allows us to get some insulation into the floor and slide timbers and stuff underneath it. So it's one of the ways to construct a shed base. You can see some more in our shed base web page on DIY Doctor, and of course on the videos. This one is about using a bricklayer's line pins and of course lines, and you saw there that we're actually using a Faithful set of line pins which comes complete with 18 meters of line, which is plenty of line. Great set, plenty of value, and very low cost. So using a line, now the line pins themselves can, as you've seen, be driven into the ground and then taken along the first 3 or 4 courses of brickwork, and then as your brickwork starts to go hard, you can you build the corners first. Look at our pages on building brickwork corners or laying bricks, and you'll see that as you go up, the line pins can be inserted into the joint of the brick. So they're very strong line pins. Tap them in with a hammer and then stretch the line between the bricks. Now, one of the little tricks that home improvers don't often know is, as you will see from the insert, we trap the brick and the line together by the use of a piece of paper, in this case a piece of plastic cement bag, cut into a rectangle, or roughly into a rectangle, and we call this a tingle. And the tingle is put round the line, held to the edge of the block with the bricks placed on top of it, and that absolutely ensures that your line is going to run along the edge of your block, because it isn't just the rest of the blocks that you've got to line up, it's the one that you start with, your corner block. So using a tingle, make sure absolutely everything is in a straight line. Keep the line taut. Every now and again, if you watch bricklayers working on a building site, you'll see them ping the line just like this, and that's to make sure that any mortar or anything that's come sticking out of a joint, or in this case, you know, a blade of grass might even have got caught up with the mixture and is sticking out of the joint, that if you ping it, you can see that there's nothing obstructing the line and everything is in a dead straight line all the way down the job, as you'll see in a moment. Once you've leveled your corner at this end, you do the same thing at the other end. You can string a line between them so that you've not only got the line, but of course if you put the 2 corners up accurately, you've got the level as well. So that's how to use bricklayers line pins from DIY Doctor, and in this case you can click on the link to go to our store and buy the Faithful line pins from there.